Do you need to replace the CMOS battery on your Inspiron 13 5310? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Now really quickly, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap and you can use an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery cable. Then disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.